Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mac if you're new here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 4 different print-on-demand products that you should sell on Etsy for summer 2023. I'm super excited to share these with you. I know from experience and through trend research that these are going to be really cool products to put on your Etsy store. Before I get into the video, if you are brand new to my channel or if you're brand new to print-on-demand in general, I do have a bunch of other videos talking about this. I will link them for you so you can check those out afterwards. And I do have a low-cost guide that is perfect for beginners that want to start print on demand. It goes over everything for you, and that'll be available in the description below. So anytime you are selling products, whether this is online, in store, regardless, you do need to consider what people are going to be searching for, and a lot of that has to do with the time of year and seasonal needs. So I'm located in the US, so this time of year is summertime. It is mostly sunny and beautiful in most parts of the US coming up in the next few weeks to months. So that is where I've kind of pulled my inspiration, not only just from experience and knowledge, but also just from common sense of what people are going to be looking for during the summertime. And a lot of people are also going on vacations during this time. So that is where the ideas and inspiration are coming from for these products. So the very first product is going to be beach towels or blankets. Like I was mentioning, tons of people are vacationing during the summer. They're going to the beach, they're doing picnics, and there's so many different ways you could go about this. But something that I absolutely love about products like blankets or towels is that all you really need is a pattern. And getting and finding and creating patterns is so easy. It could not be any easier with tons of different resources. So for one, you can download ready-to-use patterns with a commercial and print-on-demand license from a website like Creative Fabrica. You can also take a printed pattern and make it more of a pattern by using the feature Create a Pattern on Printify when you're creating the product in the actual Printify website. So really easy to do. You can make a pattern in 2 seconds with just a few shapes, but I highly recommend doing this and listing them in your niche. Now, if you already have a niche specific store, you could create a whole section on your Etsy shop for beach gear or travel or vacation gear and put these patterns on different products. A lot of these products I'm sharing with you are going to have that same idea of it's easy to sell them with patterns. I really like this one too because it has the tassels. Just be aware of your placement and to make sure that your files are big enough so that the print is going to come out crispy and high quality. So we don't want to be selling things that are not high quality, especially on larger products, you can tell. So something to keep in mind. So moving on to the next product, it actually kind of goes with the beach bags and kind of what I was saying about travel. And that is these weekender duffel or travel bags. So these are going crazy viral on TikTok lately. There are a few brands that sell the quote unquote weekender bags. However, it's a really, really great product to sell right now because not only is it in demand, but they're super trendy and you can absolutely fit any niche into a bag like this. Now, like I was saying before, with the blankets or the beach towels, you can incorporate patterns. So if your niche is something that you could find a pattern to work with and put on a bag like this, amazing. 10 out of 10 idea. I actually just purchased one from one of the brands. I got influenced and I love it. So definitely weekender bags are a thing. A lot of people are taking trips. So highly recommend checking out this product. And like I said, ordering a sample to further market that product, whether that's an idea pin on Pinterest or using that in TikTok. And remember what's so cool about print on demand is we're not holding inventory. So yes, we can literally order one of our products that we're selling just to take, pictures or videos to help market it, but we don't have to have a full inventory of it, which is amazing. So I highly recommend, like I was saying, getting a sample of your product and taking a few photos on your own or having a friend or UGC creator make some content for you, because that can be a really good way by exposing these different videos and stuff on your TikTok or Pinterest accounts that are for that business. I don't recommend doing it on your personal unless you already have a following. But with that being said, creating a new account and really trying to get your products in front of people's eyes so that they click and go to it. And I think it's an important thing to keep in mind here because a lot of online shopping now is influenced. It is influenced by social media. It is influenced by people seeing something they like and running to someone's bio to go purchase the same product. So anytime you find a product that you can create beautiful videos of or photos of, highly recommend doing that. Moving on after my little tangent there, the next product is Tumblers. So I did mention this in a previous video, but Tumblers are a beautiful evergreen product, mainly because there are so many different types of tumblers. I guess overall, I mean water bottles or, bottles that are reusable, you can bring places, tumblers, whatever drink is being put in it. If it is a coffee mug tumbler, if it is a water bottle, a wine tumbler, things like that people are gonna be taking with them, whether they're going on a hike, they're going to the pool, they're going to the beach, they're going camping. So many opportunities with these different bottles, and Printify has so many. And I know I talk about this a lot, but going back to when I first started print on demand versus how many products there are now, it blows my mind. We have so many fun things that we can put designs on and sell. And again, with the patterns, don't sleep on the patterns, because you can put a pattern directly around a water bottle or a tumbler. You could literally create one pattern for your niche and sell it on all of these products on your store. Now, the last product that I want to share with you today is a tie-dye sweatshirt. And when I say sweatshirt, you might be like, you're just talking about summer and nice weather. Yes, but for whatever reason, these aesthetic, fun sweatshirts that are for summer and that are specifically marketed for people to put it on when the sun comes down, a sweatshirt that people are going to bring with them to the beach, on vacation, camping, so that when that sun does go down, it gets chilly. It's kind of crazy to me because I've told people I've met in person, I don't know if I've ever said it on this channel, but I've literally used the sentence, a sweatshirt changed my life, because the first product for print on demand that ever worked for me was a sweatshirt, and it changed my life. It showed me how much money I could make with print on demand. And so I just always have this idea of sweatshirts being a good product to sell. And I think that this market is so great for these summertime sweatshirts. You just want to be making sure you're using that in your SEO, because people are typing in oversized sweatshirt or beach sweatshirt. So do your keyword research. Again, those tools that I use will be linked below. But I found these tie-dye to be so fun and interesting. And I know that this was more of a trend a few years ago, but I definitely think these sweatshirts have potential. I really like the colors that are offered here. I think they're perfect summer colors that you could absolutely fit in, and having those back prints also sell really well. So a bunch of pro tips there. So those are the 4 products that I wanted to share with you today. I hope this video was helpful. List them ASAP. We are getting into the month of June, so you want to make sure you have these up and going to get them in the algorithm. And everything that I talked about will be linked below in the description. And if you don't follow me on my other social accounts, be sure to follow me there, because I do post daily tips and links, lots of helpful info. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.